Okay, this time class, we're going to apply this to find the missing measure of the given angle. Okay, so line X and line Y are parallel to each other. And what is the transversal? Line W. So given this figure, suppose that the measure of angle E is 82 degree. So we're going to find the measure of the following angles. We have angle 1, AB, CD, E, F, G, and H. Okay, again, the given measure is angle E, which is 82 degree. Now, ma'am, how to find the measure of the given angle? To find the measure, step number 1 is, let us analyze the relationship of the given angle to the missing angle. Ano po yung given na angle? Angle E, whose measure is 82 degree. Okay, ano yung unang hinahanap, anak? So, what is the relationship of angle A and angle E? Peralta? And what can you say about the measurement of corresponding angle? Marquez? They are congruent, meaning they are equal. Now, if the measure of angle E is 82 degree, what do you think is the measure of angle A, Agner? Okay, therefore, the measure of angle A is 82 degree. Do you understand? Okay, next, find the measure of angle B. By the way, this is the measure of angle A. Now, meron po bang relationship si angle E at si angle B? Meron po, wala? Okay, kung wala po, mag-proceed ka na kay angle A. What is the relationship of angle A and angle B? Magkatabi. Linear pair. And what can you say about the measurement of a linear pair? Dito. They are supplementary. Again, what is supplementary? Pag pinagsama yung dalawang angle, ang sum ay equal sa 180 degree. Meaning, anak, the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B is equal to 180 degree. Oh, what is the measure of angle A? Okay, to find the measure of angle B, what we're going to do? Just subtract. Very good. Ima-minus natin sino, anak? Si 82, kanino po? Very good. And what do you think is the answer? Very good. 98 degree. So, therefore, the measure of angle B is 98 degree. Anak, since angle na po ang kinukuha, huwag kalimutan lagyan ng degree. Ha? Kasi degree is the basic unit of angle. O next, let us proceed by the third one. The measure of angle C. Sa angle C, anak, meron na tayong maraming choices na pwedeng pagpilian. Okay, step 1. Oh, first choices. Oh, angle E and angle C. What is the relationship? Alternate, interior, and what can you say about the measurement? They are congruent. If angle E measures 82 degree, automatic angle C is also because they are congruent. Iyon yung unang relationship. Ano pa? Pwede po natin, anak, gamitin si angle A at angle C. What is the relationship? And what can you say about the measurement of vertical angle? Congruent pa rin. Kung anong sukat ni A, which is 82, ganun din dapat si C, 82 degree. At ano yung pangatlo na pwedeng gamitin? Kay angle, hawla, angle B and angle C. Anong relationship nilang dalawa, anak? Linear pair. Ano po yung linear pair? Equal kay 180 degree. So, 98 na to. Ilan na lang ang kulang? 82. So, meaning, kahit ano pong relationship ang gamitin, lahat po yan ay pare-parehas ang sagot. Naintindihan po? Next, number 4. What do you think is the measure of angle D? Anyone? Yes, Di Pamalyon? Anong relationship, anak, ang ginamit mo? Kanino po? Very good. Angle B and angle D are vertical angle, meaning they are congruent. Automatic, the measure is equal to 98 degree. How about number 6? What do you think is the measure of angle F? This is angle F. Pwede mo, anak, gamitin si B at F. Pwede rin si C at F. Or si E at F. Anyone? Another hand. If I will use angle B and angle F, what is the relationship? Corresponding angle. And what can you say about the measurement of corresponding angle? Meaning they are congruent, they are equal. If the measure of angle B is 98 degree, Efren, what is the measure of angle F? 98 also. Naintindihan po, because they are congruent. How about the measure of angle G? Anyone? What do you think is the measure of angle G? Picardo? Ano po ginamit mo, anak? Kanino po? Okay, very good. Angle E and angle G are vertical angle, meaning they are Okay, automatic angle G is also 82 degrees. And the last one, What do you think is the measure of angle H? Esto. What do you think is the measure of angle H? Ano po? First question. What is the relationship of angle F and angle H? Vertical angle. And what can you say about the measurement of vertical angles? They are congruent. Now, if the measure of angle F is 98 degree, we can say that angle H is also 98 degree. So, any question? Do you understand? Again, what can you say about the measure of corresponding angle? Alternate interior, alternate exterior, vertical, linear pair, supplement, same side, another same side. Yun lang yung tatandaan. Yung tatlo, same side na dalawa, at yung linear pair, supplement, yung apat, congruent.